My name is Juan Carlos Prada. We must choose the day to make the inventory work so that it does not interfere with the service provided to our customer. It is necessary that we carry out inventory the warehouse for which going to organize work group. The inventory manager is the organizing your work group. The record of the work is important with going to with a for get with now necessary the information. The for in which with what record the information is there the computer is die to change the way with carry inventory with are going to investing in the order that what are going to have with facility our work. The order that white work to white facility work. Let's not form the with work the revestir no the new product sought and not to have. Their main boys by white we can start. There are some products that require refrigeration. Drop is down. Some of these refrigeration are damaged, but there are three new refrigeration that we can use to guarantee the cool chain of this product. Confirm if there are products in transit that will show they'll take into account for our inventory. Thank you.